Okay, beautiful. Let me just get this on. Let me get rid of this.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning, Maxi. Morning, boys.
Morning, everyone. Let me put this on. Good morning. Wow, it looks like Asian pushed it all the way back up. Oh my god. Wow. Looking like it's retracing quite hard, so nice. So let me just take a look at news before we get into this. JPY press conference. Okay, that'll be interesting. 8 o'clock Euro news, and then we're okay. Advanced GDP later on at 1:30. Looking like AJ's coming up over here. Resistance is at 538. Probably looks safer to go for buys above there, so I'm not going to rush into that. So let's just start on GJ over here. So GJ has came up over here. Nice, very nice. So that's the daily time frame. The 4-hour time frame is pushing off over here as well. Nice to see. Very nice. The hourly time frame is strongly closing with nice, nice bullish confirmations, nice bullish structure as well. Where could we potentially continue then if you want to continue on this hourly time frame? Well, it's pretty obvious, right? We're going to continue to this resistance, which is 163,500. That looks very nice. So that's the first thing that looks okay. Also, as I said, the daily time frames, the last one closed bullish. We've already broken the high, so it's pretty bullish now. Okay. So yeah, taking a look on the 30-minute and 15. We've got the next resistance is right around here. It's the big one. There's obviously a minor one there as well. But I'll put it there. I just know that stops to break even around 276. Okay, nice. Let's take a look to the left hand side a bit more as well. There's a little bit of structure there. To the left hand side, which makes sense. Let's just drag this around. Yeah, okay. Very nice. Okay, so you can see here that this level here is where I want to have trades above, okay? So trades above 162.893 would be nice because we're breaking above. Let me just get my tool out. Resistance there, supports there, resistance there, supports there. So that's the key level that I think buys above would be nice. So then let's do this. Buys above 162.883. Good morning. So yeah, that could be quite nice. Looks like it may not do it in this time, but let's take a look what this looks like on the 30-minute. Okay, so yeah, 30-minute as well. So yeah, buys above 883 is going to be reasonable for me, I think, to then continue to push into this zone. The zone is 57 pips, so it's a big zone. So that means it's, a good probability that I can get my 10 pips in this zone. So that is what I will do. So yeah, looking pretty good. Let me just get it. Also, thank you for 8,000 followers on Instagram. Nearly at 10k. Finally. So yeah, 2 minutes left for this closure. Would I want this closure now? In 2 minutes time at 1/4? Maybe. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. How you all been? And yeah, so looking pretty good. Let me just get this up over here. Looks like it could be a nice opportunity.
Yeah, I like that AJ for 50 pips. Wings on above.
But is it still above that area though? Still below that area that I talked about just before?
Yeah, I'm thinking about.
Yeah, above there would be nice. Okay, and then runners could potentially continue to 163,300. Nice. Okay, so let's just take a look at this 30-minute. If it breaks that high, it could be kind of nice. So if it breaks that high, how much would the stops be? Oh, 20 pepperoonies. Jesus Christ. 5k subs on YouTube. Oh, we hit it. Hit the 5k subs, boy. Oh, we did. Amazing. 5k subs. Very nice. Let me just shrink this line a little bit over here. Second. Bit of a thinner line so I can just see it a bit more. Very nice. Oh, it looks like it's retracing just at that point. Wow. So yeah, probably wait for the 30 minutes. 9 pips and AJ. Nice. So did you get in? Let's take a look over here. On that 15-minute? Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, so let me just get...
I got in exceeding the highs on AJ as well, but I got BA.
Nice. Take a look. Take a look. We'll take a look. So same kind of thing on AJ. Daily time frame. Pushing up. Is this music really loud? It feels really fucking loud.
It is.
It is loud. Yeah, it's draining me a little bit there.
At least louder than usual.
This is better than karaoke time.
Everything's better than karaoke time. God, that'd drive me insane. Okay, so 4-hour time frame here, bullish as well. Coming to the 4-hour resistance there. Take a look on the hourly. Yeah, the hourly closed above resistance there, 92,179. Look good to continue. Ooh, probably gonna wait for the 30-minute. So that's okay. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. So 15-minute now, you can see resistance is right here, which is where it's coming to. It looks like above there is going to be clean candles all the way up to here. So if you do break above over here, we're going to continue bullish to the next kind of zone, which is going to be nice. Taking a look at where you could have potentially taken trades just then. Let's take a look. This is the current resistance. Yeah, closure above 6:45, 7 o'clock. Take the trade. So yeah, how much would that be? Yeah, 20 pips. You got to take on the flip. There you go. And that would work nicely. So well done if people caught that. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Very nice. Okay, 3 trades all win back to back. Yes, man. Amazing work. Well done. You gotta get in before London Open? Question mark. No, I don't have to. If it doesn't give me any nice confirmations to continue, it's just recently it's been moving quite nicely before 8 o'clock, so I don't mind jumping in a bit early at the moment. It seems to work quite nicely. So I mean, the same thing for AJ here. You'd want probably a closure above here. Buys above 92, 552. That'd be looking pretty nice. So yeah, it looks like it's kind of bullish for the day, which is good to see. Remember when you barely had 1,000 subs a couple of months ago? Now 5k. That's big, man. Appreciate your content and streams. Keep up what you do. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you very much. You're not trading gold? Yes, I am. Just give me a second. I'm just watching GJ a little bit. Yeah, I think that 15-minute wasn't. It didn't close really above that area. There's a little minor resistance there as well, so probably want to have it a bit higher up. Yeah, I'll just do 911, 991. Just do 991. Beautiful. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna wait for closures above there. It'll be nice. Let's take a look at gold. Looking like gold dropped down. Yeah, I took the trade. Shout out to controller. I just saw this and I was like, bro, I'm taking that bitch. I think it was it here? Yeah, it was that. 25 pips stop. Gain 100 pips, which is pretty good. Okay, so what's this? Any troubleshooting guides and magic keys? My trades aren't opening with it. Oof. Yeah, that's the morning. That's the things you should really do on there. Morning, morning. Good morning, my man. Okay, so the higher time frames on gold. Let's take a look then. So the daily time frames close below this daily support, so you should think that this candle should potentially continue bearish to the next bearish support, which is down here. So looking pretty good to potentially continue down. Do you trade similarly to Controller XFX? Yes, I think we all trade pretty similar. Pretty similar, but also you could say it's pretty different as well. Okay, so daily time frame over here is bearish. Very, very nice. The 4-hour time frame also bearish. Breaking the lows of the previous, which is nice to see. So looking very, very bearish as I've seen. 15-30 minutes time frame looking a bit choppy, not really the nicest candles. The 30-minute looks okay though. I mean, it's closed bearish. This has got 10 minutes left, so very nice. But I got to look to the left and see for some potential zones. So let's just take a look on the 15-minute. Oh my god, we haven't been down here in a while. Oh my god. Okay, so the next sort of level of support on the 15 minutes, probably 1867, 1872 as well, but kind of minor. Looks like it kind of moves quickly in this area, which is quite good. You can see here it moved pretty quickly. So the main kind of target for today is probably down here at these levels. So 1851, I think. Yeah, if you take a look here, you can see where's price tapped pretty much every time. Well, here, 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 here. So yeah, looks pretty good. Do you say GJ will fly without us? Bro, no it won't. We've caught GJ every day, man. We're good. Okay, so yeah, these are our little targets. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the 4-hour time frame for AD. Yeah, gold, sorry. Yeah, it looks good to continue down. 1851 today could be a really good target. Makes perfect sense because that's where the next kind of 4-hour support is. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's kind of just dropping, so I mean, it's kind of like hard to get in right now. Let's take a look. The first target would be 1867, yeah. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. 1 second. Oh, the hourly doesn't look too bad, you know. Getting in on the hourly flip, stop loss above, 37 pips, okay. 15 minutes closing bearish in 8 minutes time. The only issue is the price action. See, in the 15-minute, it looks pretty garbage, right? But it is just trending down, so it may potentially.
I'm gonna catch that AJ 50 pips for sure.
You're gonna catch the what?
AJ at 50 pips. I'm gonna catch today for sure. I'm gonna wait that bitch.
You're gonna wait it.
50 pips. So.
Are you not taking GJ? Yes, I will be. I will be soon. May I sell on gold max? Go for it. The only issue is because it's pushing down quite far. We don't have any zones. We can see it it's kind of clean to 1867. I'm not gonna lie. So what I may potentially do is wait for the 8 o'clock candle to close. Maybe it's 37 minutes. I don't know. I think it could be a potential option to take this trade. The only issue is your stops right now are big, 36 pips. So I may wait for this 30-minute to close or 15 to close. Yeah, the stops look kind of big. But looking like.
What do you think? What do you think about that wick at 1972? It's a bit of a psychological level.
Wait, where?
On gold.
1872, you mean? Yeah.
1872. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, where is it on the charts?
Yeah, about an hour ago.
On what? Oh, about an hour ago. Oh, here.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not too bothered about that because that's early on anyway. It's just continuation. Yeah, not too. I think it's not too bad. Look to the left. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. Oh, 30 minutes flipping, nice. Very nice. Yeah, the only issue is the stop loss. Stop loss is 37 pips, so I'm probably just going to wait for this 30-minute to close.
Max, AJ is coming, GJ also. Fuck the gold.
Fuck the gold. Yeah.
AJ 50 pips long.
Yeah, boy. AJ isn't
Yeah.
cruising above yet though.
One trade, 5% profit.
Okay, let me just give some people some GJ buys. We'll see. AJ broke looks really nice. Yeah, AJ does look pretty good. Do you consider any major resistance being tapped many times in minor, just once or twice entering an area? What? I don't really get that question. 242 people in here already. Holy smokes, we got a big ass YouTube stream. Oh yeah, 5,000 subscribers. Beautiful work. Okay, so yeah, the 30 minute is closing in 5 minutes time. It's got to close above. If it does, then I'm gonna have to find a way to get in, because it's gonna be kind of hard because the stop losses are pretty gigantuous. So we'll have to see. I'm just liking this gold more, to be honest. It's just trying to get it, because there's just nothing. There's just nothing until at least 1867, which is 60 pips, and that will move a lot quicker than GJ will. So just gonna give a little weight on it, but it should be okay. We'll see how this. If this closes kind of weak, then we have to.
Max, on gold on a daily, it looks that the wick of the current daily hit the previous resistance.
There? Yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
can see so.
The only thing, because you said there is nothing below.
The main one is mainly a little lower. Let's look on the 4 hour. It's a 4 hour that I'm intrigued by.
Yeah, it passed 4 hours. Yeah, I'm seeing now.
Yeah, it's very nice. Come on, let the win streak continue. We'll see. Looking like GJ's maybe struggling a little bit here. You know, if I see any struggle in here, and not a nice strong closure, I'm not gonna take it. I want to see a nice strong candle here. Give me a nice options to get in, like that. If it doesn't give me it, then I ain't rushing in. Let me just put this recording on. There we go. There we go. Okay, beautiful. So looking like it's rejecting a little bit. Interesting. Same kind of thing with gold. 30 minutes closing in 3 minutes time. Seri play on the 30 minute after it's made a top wick. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. So if this next candle over here closes weak like this, let's see, a little bit weaker than that. Next one opens up, makes a top wick, and then flips, breaks the low of the previous and continues. Sorry, that was a shit candle drawing. Breaks the low of the previous, we may get the drive, and that would be flipping the hourly. So yeah, we'll see. I think sells below 1873.9 is going to be pretty good. Never traded paper gold, but it sure looks nice in the safe. Yeah, gold can be quite hard for people. So, what is the name of the calculator pips you use in MT4? Magic keys. Magic keys. Oh yes, the good magic keys. How do you differentiate major and minor resistances from the time frames? Okay, so smaller minor resistances or minor supports will be based on 15-30 minute hourlies, whereas major ones will be 4 hours dailies. They'll be really, really important. You get me? Hello, don't you think that a bit of attrition in GG will be better in order to continue down? Moved a lot already during the night due to news. Yeah, if it wants to, that's fine as well, but I'd still think a closure above is going to be fine. It's already had a bit of a relax in here, then a push back up, so yeah. You got a VIP or you call all your signals free on live? I got a VIP, well, I don't call it a VIP. Why do you call it VIP? I think it's such a trash ass name.
Because we are VIPs.
Because we are very important.
Like, what the fuck is that? I do have a mentorship though, man, so
Max, you must admit that we are very important to you.
You are very important. You are. It's just funny seeing it. VIP. You are VIP. But yeah, we have NY session. All signals are called in the chat and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I get sell on GJ Max. Oh, okay. Just be careful because if you look, go through the time frames. Do you have much on bias for sells? Look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is broken the high the previous, and it's very, very bullish. So that's a no. The 4 hour, you don't either. The hourly, you don't either. The 30-minute, you don't either. And the 15-minute, you don't either. Okay, so there's absolutely there's not one time frame, maybe a 5-minute, maybe this 50-minute flipping, that's on your side. Okay, just another thing as well, guys. Just seen here. Look at this 5-minute. It's looking like it's maybe losing a little bit of volume here. So don't want to jump in just before if it's been slow. I'd rather just wait for the London Open. VIP.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
I think that VIP, like all the signals groups have that thing VIP shit, man.
Yeah.
And I think for the normal signals that you get, I think maybe 5 pips. VIP signal 10 pips.
VIP. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh, very, very nice chart. Oh, this is quite a nice chart. It's vibey. Blue and red. I think that's the color of it. So clean buys above 161,380. That looks pretty good. I mean, that is a long way away. This zone here is actually not too bad. Itself. When was this drawn on? Was this drawn on just now? Oh yeah, I think this was yesterday. Was this yesterday? Yeah, sorry, it was. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, buys above there. Sorry, I thought it was today. Yeah, we also, discussed this. This area here is a really, really bad area to take trades on because the wicks are there, and that's what happened up here. It was really hard to take trades in that area. So yeah, I think safer would be above 161,380 to buy and then to follow this zone. So let's just take a look and see if that happened in Asian, and if you could have taken that trade. So 161,400. Because I remember seeing we were jotting that down yesterday. Yeah, here. Let's look on the 30-minute. Yeah, man. So above there, kind of closed. Look at the 15 minutes. Actually, it still struggled actually. And then some news came out, so might not be able to take that. Marked it up last night, early in the morning. Yeah, marked it last night. Sent the chart now. I've sent the next chart here, Max. Nice. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Yeah, it kind of pushed out, quickly. I mean, maybe that support forming there in the 30-minute might have been okay. But there you go. A beautiful work rate, because that's what happens, Clean candles to the left means clean candles to the right. So, beautiful work. Very, very nice. Okay, so let's just take a look. The 50-minute candle closed doji bullish up below. So I'm not risking that yet. 30 minutes just closed as well below, so I'm just gonna wait a little longer over here. No rush, I get paid to wait. So tomorrow is bank holiday in Japan. That's fine. I trade in London session time, so that's okay. Yeah, do I have a bank holiday on Monday?
Yeah.
You do? Yeah. Oh yes, bank holiday. Nice. So I won't be doing the London stream there. I might do NY. I might be trading NY, let's say, but I think I'm at my girlfriend, so I won't be able to stream it. But I'll still be on the charts.
Holidays are shit.
We've had like
we've had so many.
I've had like 4, like something stupid like that.
I know.
Most of the people are excited when there's a lot of bank holidays. Without a group.
Oh, by the way, I got that FOREX rebate to work. I've still got my fucking partners thing. Yes.
Oh, mate, your fucking rebates are gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still signed up. I'm like, oh man, I've still got my fucking partner thing for IC Market. So I was like, amazing. Like I just looked yesterday. I was like, if I just got them rebates there, that should save me so much money. It's a big proportion, man. Like 33% of the fucking commissions.
It's huge as well. And plus you're playing because you're on a raw account.
Yeah.
It kind of cuts your spread down as well. It cuts your spread by say 0.33 because obviously you're not paying for that.
Yeah, exactly.
So like, it's yeah. It's
yeah.
mad.
So people in the YouTube, I'll shout you out here. If you guys have IC Market or any other broker that this thing has, 1 second, FOREX rebates. It takes literally 2 minutes to do, and it's probably gonna be the best thing you've ever done. So it's called this one, Payback FX.
How much commission do I get from it?
We'll see how much commission I have at the end of the year. Holy shit, that'll be fucking loads.
You're welcome.
Didn't even know it was a thing. Why is it not fucking working?
Pin.
What?
Hey, man. Me and Stefan talked yesterday about the MyForex fund, and we noticed something.
What?
Once you put a sell stop on buy stop, they took your commission, even if the trade doesn't open.
Yes, I saw that when you posted that screenshot of your girl's account, I think it was. There is a trade that hasn't been opened, like a sell stop or a buy stop that got cancelled, and they still take commission.
Yeah.
Huh?
Really?
It's so wrong, but that's not right.
How do you check, Vincent, on the account history?
Mine does not do that.
So go on history, whoever is on MyForex funds, go on history and then right click anywhere and select the deals. So you can see the deals instead of positions.
Oh.
And then you will see everything.
So yeah, like look over here. So you get your rebates out. So basically, join this website, and they basically give you like, so look, I get 30. Oh my gosh, 37.5. Fuck, I was in 40%. I get 40% of my commissions back. How nice is that?
Silly.
That's
Have you got the app on your phone now?
What, the FOREX rebate one?
Yeah. So Scott's telling me every day. So if you place a trade now, I think it's about 10, 11 o'clock at night or something. You'll get the rebate in, and then it takes like a month to process. So
you can see it on the dashboard as well.
Yeah.
You can just on that dashboard on the main.
Yeah, I need to put in my big account because this is only my small one over here. Yeah, $15 already.
Yeah. So what it will do is that pending profit, once the month is over, will then go across to profit available, and when it's in profit available, that's when you can then withdraw.
Oh, and you can do it on PayPal as well. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. It's free withdrawal. How amazing is this? So let me just link this out for you guys on YouTube. If you guys have got it, you know, a chart. Wait, what other brokers are there?
Oh, loads. They do loads.
Okay,
yeah, it should be.
There is a list. There is a list.
That's Saction's favorite, that BD Swiss or whatever.
Oh my god.
Fucking BD Swiss. That's the biggest scamming fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I lost so much money on them fuckers. So yeah, you get 37% of your rebate of your commission. So it's pretty worth it for doing nothing. Is that for new trades, or can you claim back on old? Well, I did it last night after I've took my trades, and it counted my ones, Scott. So maybe
yeah, but it might have counted yesterday's trade, because I think what it does is at the end of that calendar day, or not calendar day, sorry, like the end of the FOREX trading day, which is probably the end of the day for you guys anyway. It then gets sent through to them. So that's why, like, if you took a trade now, it wouldn't update on there until tomorrow.
Yeah. Wicked. Very, very nice. Oh, I'm so buzzing that's worked.
It's crazy, isn't it? It's like, it works out like, so if it's like £5 a lot, you save it's like 187 or 190.
Wow.
Something like that. That's crazy.
That is pretty good.
Use it as a savings pot. Just leave it in there for the year.
No, Craig. No, that won't work. No. Oh, did you get 10 pips there? Nearly. My only issue is it was a big ass stop. 17 pips. Hard ass stop losses. I tried doing the rebate IC market to the Ivy group, so it can't affiliate with it. Oh well, I just move mine over. You just have to send them an email. Oh, fuck off it, GJ. Straight to TP. Wowzer.
Here comes the AJ, Mac.
Yeah. Here comes AJ. 6 minutes left. Oh, mate. Breaking of that highs. How big's the stop?
Take my FOREX funds. Criminal.
Right. Criminal.
It is. And also,
where do you click on it?
Yesterday I closed at 14 pips, 15 lots on 14 pips, and my profit was only 1,000.
Touch, and you go to your.
I closed it to like 6-7 pips.
Yeah.
And then right click.
On just anywhere.
Yeah,
anywhere.
On the bottom where you can change time frame period. And then you see deals instead of positions. When you do deals, you can see everything.
Oh, I kind of want to get in here, guys, but 16 pips stops. Fuck. I kind of want to get in if it breaks that high.
Yeah.
I'll wait. 5 minutes left.
We could look at 5 minutes for a decent.
See if there's something on the 5.
Yeah, I just have a feeling it's probably gonna break a little bit. Oh, look at that 5. Yeah.
5 is 12-ish.
Close your bow in 5 minutes.
I need to fucking fix my thing. Close your bow on the 5 minute? Yeah. There's gonna be. I want to get it on breaking of the highs again. So like 602.
Let's go, Raja. Let's go.
No, after it's closed, you fucking retard. Okay, there, right, it's closed above.
Can't. Here we go.
I'm just gonna get it on the high. How long left of the fight? Yeah, 'cause, I mean, how big is the stops actually? 1 second.
It's like 15, 16 pips.
How much in that 5 minute? Yeah, fuck, man. We'll have to see. I mean, all we could do is wait for the 15 and then wait for the lower wick. Do you want to do that? Do you think that's reasonable?
It will always be safer to wait.
Yeah.
I think it's.
I think so.
Yeah, I think waiting for the close is probably better.
Yeah.
It's not too far gone out there.
It's only. It's only. Yeah, exactly. And it's only.
It's about guys.
Yeah.
Don't be impulsive, please. We need to close about.
Yeah, boy. That's what we're doing. Yeah, we're waiting, guys. We're gonna wait 3 minutes.
The next 3.5 minutes, it's gonna fly.
I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. I don't want to fucking. Actually, no, I'm not. 3 minutes. Fuck, it's not enough time. Actually, it is. I'm just going for a wee.
I'm gonna get him.
Guys, will you guys be mad at me if I told you I was in the GJ buys?
Yeah, after you said stop being impulsive.
Yeah,
exactly.
Hey, guys,
There's been a lot of that going around lately. Everyone bags.
We need to get
Everyone
better.
bags an entry, and then they're like, "Yeah, I'm in." Sachin.
No.
Yes,
Come look at me.
yes.
Oh no, it's gonna work. Wait, watch out.
Oh shit, that's going.
Jason, this is it. You owe us all money if this goes now.
Jason, how did you get into JJ buys? It closed right at support.
The doji support. That is a common thing that happens. So, if price closes like that, doji, I use the doji as my stop loss. The week of the doji, and I get in on the flip.
Balls of steel, my friend. Balls of steel.
Nah, it always happens. I've seen it like a billion times, eh?
You do that so often, Finn. It's
really?
Yeah, because the doji's are indecision, so it's kind of like we don't know where we're going. So we use that. If it breaks on high, we use the doji as the stop loss.
What about if the doji is slightly more bearish than that?
Yeah, fair enough. But I mean, obviously, it's going to disrespect one other way. So you wait for the trend, right? You know what I mean?
Okay, that makes sense.
But myself and Jason have done that quite a lot.
But the doji right at support though, does that not? You know, I get the candle and all that, but
again, it can only go one of two ways. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, but if you're getting in on the flip and you're not waiting for the confirmation of it going up, you kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like guessing before it's...
Stop.
The zone's huge anyway. It's fine. Even when it
Yeah,
closes.
I'm even thinking of
It's just a
maybe even
stop.
waiting for the fucking hourly, man, because I've just seen the 4-hour res is there, or the hourly res. I'd probably want the hourly to close. But, I mean, if it makes a nice low wick and flips, I don't see why not, so we'll see. Don't leave without
Yeah,
us,
I wish my
AJ.
AJ didn't get BE before. Be up 30 pips right now.
Nice.
Fuck. So nice.
Ran nicely. You were right.
It's a great reaction. Nice.
Nice. Oh, fuck off. I should have just stuck with that. Okay, 50-minute closing above. Very, very nice. Take a look. Gold's coming back up. The hourly time frame's closing in 50 minutes time. Going to be interesting to see where that closes. GJ just ran off, man. But yeah, AG looks like it could potentially continue, so...
If you look on AJ 5 minute, you will see that it retraced a little bit. So maybe you will be on stop loss.
You guys not in AJ?
No, Vincent, we wait for a closure.
I'm
like
already.
fucking retards.
I'm already up 5 pips.
No, I should have got it.
It's another one, Vincent. That's another one.
27 pips on runner, still going. Nice. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you, Jason. Staying impulsive. It would have worked nicely.
Yeah, second that. Fuck you.
Hello, sir. Hello, hello. Where is stop loss? Well, we don't have one yet. 22 pips. Nice. Okay. If it breaks this high, we're fucked. 50 minutes left for the hourly to close. Very nice. Let's take a look on the left hand side in case there's anything here. There's nothing here. There's nothing here, boy. It's a shame that the stops are so bloody big today.
Yeah, don't worry, man. It's gonna make a nice bottom week now.
I don't know. The past previous candles haven't really. Yeah, this is gone, man. I can just tell. I can feel it. Come on, make a low wick, bitch. What broker in what my FOREX fund? I think it's just its own broker. I think they use.
Nah, it's
They use their own funds. They use their
Traders
own
Global
funds.
Group.
Traders Global Group. Traders Global Group. It's an odd name. Like a tongue twister. Traders Global Group. I entered buy now. Nice. Yeah, it's hard, man. How could I have gotten into GJ there? Yeah, it's kind of impulsive, that one. My issue is the stops, man. So that would be like 10 pips there. And also the hourly closure. You know, 13 minutes left. It would be a lot nicer to wait for this hourly to close, but also you may miss this move, which I think I may be comfortable with. It might be missing. I wish I got in down here. 7 o'clock. I can't find it on Payback Effects. Yeah, I don't think my FOREX Funds is on it. Is it? My FOREX
Oh
Funds.
no, you can't use it. You can't use a funded,
yeah.
account on it. You have to. It can only be your own live account.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So looking like gold's potentially maybe flipping a bullish. I really wanted them sells, man. They were looking tight, but couldn't flip this 30-minute or hourly. Sorry. GJ above 163.550 has nice clean candles to the left. 550. Yeah, I mean it's still got clean. Actually, it's kind of choppy here now. Yeah, you're right. Above there would be nice. All the way back up to 164.138. That would be a nice little zone. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, if people are new here, the reason why I'm struggling to get in here is because I want to get in on the high. Stop loss would be 24 pips. I normally take about 8 pip stops on AJ, so they're rather big right now. So it's kind of a shame. So you get 37% back of the commissions that the broker takes on. Yeah. How good is that? How good is that? So yeah, make sure to check out that payback, man. I'll put the brokers here just so you can see. Is any ones that I actually know? Fucking I don't know any of these apart from IC markets. Tickmill, that's what I know. Tickmill.
Tickmill's a big one.
Yeah. Oh, Vantage
Must be them.
FX. Blueberry markets.
So controllers on that, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice. So AJ breaking the highs over here, potentially to continue. What would you do if you got in right now? Stop loss below 7 pips. Yeah, it could be okay. For me, I just don't know. I'm probably just going to wait for this hourly to close, unfortunately. I buy AUD JPY. Nice. Good luck. I don't like it. Yeah, it's just the issue you have is every candle around it has got like a huge, huge body, massive 20 pip candles. So if you take a 7 pip stop loss, it's not even like it's a third of a candle. So is that enough room to give it? So probably not. So I'm going to hold on my horses over here and also wait for this hourly to close. 10 minutes left. I want this hourly to close above here. It looks like it's going to do, but you never know. Sometimes before the hourly doesn't close above, and then your whole analysis is screwed. So just chill out.
Yeah, I closed my position because it's open almost 10 minutes and didn't move enough.
Yeah,
so I'll wait.
Pullback can be a bit nice.
Yeah, don't trust it. If it doesn't do a big move in 10 minutes, it's not going to do it in the last 5 either.
Yeah.
Not when it's that close to the hour.
Oh yes. I lost all amount. I'm new to here. Yes. Well, maybe just listen to what we're saying and don't take 3 AJ trades right where we're trading right now. Why don't you just wait like we are? I was suicidal last month but never gave up. Well, yeah, bro. Maybe take a step back from trading. When you're in that depth, probably trading is not the best, in my opinion. Reset. There's a lot easier ways to make money at the time. I don't think you should rush into it now. Oh, there we go.
And of course, when I close it, it's fucking running.
Oh, it's a shame that GJ just did the whole move just there already. Just kind of launched. We'll see. Entering trades 50 minutes before London Open is not a good idea. Yeah, man. It looked like it may have worked out today on AJ on this 15 minutes. But for me, on most points, it's normally not the best. Ah, don't do this whole move already.
Fuck, I was in that, and you scared me, so I closed it in 2 pips of profit.
And I didn't.
And you're like, oh, it's not gonna do it. I'm like, oh, fuck. So I closed.
Oh.
I enter a 5 minutes high. On 5 minute high.
Where the current 5 minute high?
I also got it on the 5 minute high.
The one that Stefan talking about. I got 18 so far.
Asshole.
Wait, are you gonna hold it, Milan?
Of course.
How much percentage you made? How much percentage you made this month?
70%.
Like 39%.
I go.
Do you know what the business model is for Payback FX? How do they earn their profits? I think they may take a cut.
Yeah, they take a small cut.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good. I'm surprised they don't promote it on like these streams and shit. Like a lot of streamers could promote that. I don't think I've heard anyone talk about it. It's like damn. I'm up 72 pips on GJ. Nice. Yeah, man. I mean, how did you guys get in on GJ? I would love to know. Did you just get in, because it's got to be impulsively. There's no way you could have got in,
Myself and Jason got the doji. We used the doji as a stop loss.
And got in on the high?
Yeah. Well, the flip of the doji. Because
oh, the flip of the doji there? Oh
Then
shit.
we use the doji button for the stop loss.
Wow. Oh, that was 8 pips. That's not bad. Oh, that was not bad at all. Wow, man. GJ this week's been amazing. It's ran so nicely. Let's take a look over here. I closed GJ because it was stalling and then smash TP. You look like a demo a demo trader. Well, Pikachu, you can go and suck my nuts because I couldn't care less what you think. Yes, there's new people. There's new people coming in. This is great. I like this. Oh my God, AJ, nice. So beautiful. Coming towards the first resistance, which would be 93.020. Very nice. Let's take a look. Damn, now I'm jealous. You should have stayed in. Nah, man. I think that was, trust me. Getting into trades, 15-10 minutes before the hourly closes normally doesn't work. So don't you worry. Demo trader, Bitcoin scammer, BMW M2 loading. Someone says, where was it? What do you think about smart money concepts? We only have dumb money concepts here, okay? So, smart money concepts, yeah, we don't use that. We use.
There's a video by Trader Nick's, like talking about smart money concepts.
Really?
It's just a bunch of crap. Yeah.
Really?
So it doesn't make any sense.
Hey, the volume's at 7 AM, man. Holy crap. So let's take a look at
my FOREX funds. Tell the people, hey guys, I closed everything at 20 pips, and I only got 1,000, and my entry was 11 lot. How is that possible?
Yeah, that's shit. That
11 lot on
11
USD.
On USD, and you got 1,000 for 20 pips. Oof.
Let's
I'm
find
gonna
out.
put a screenshot. Maybe I'm wrong, but check it out, guys. Please.
Yeah. So,
It's annoying.
ETJP. Was it on AJ? Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the account size?
100k.
100k.
I put a screenshot on the Telegram group. Please check it out, guys.
100k. So hourly's closing in 4 minutes time of gold back up. But as I say, I'm just gonna be waiting for sales later on. Always keep on the bias of the trend of gold. It makes it much easier. So that is what I do. How much do you decide to put on a trade? Set dollar amount or percentage? I do a set lot size because my stop losses aren't bigger than 12 pips. So on AJ and GJ, on gold I'll have like 25 maximum. But yeah. Look how strong this candle is, man. It's actually closing above. It's so strong. Which one's looking better? GJ's looking better.
On AJ, for example, for me to get, for example, $100 from one lot, I need about 16 pips ish, more or less. 15, I'd say. Because of the pip count on AJ. On GJ, it's way lesser. I get $100 in about 12 pips.
Ah, so maybe it's just AJ then. You need to up your lot size in Milan.
Yeah, so gold is, for one lot on gold, you'll get $1 or whatever it is. On GJ, it's like your 0.8 or something, and AJ is less again. I don't know the exact numbers. There is a website like you can go look at and see what the pip values are, but you get less on AJ than you do on GJ, and you get even more on gold. So that's part of it.
Well,
Yeah,
GG,
no-
slow the fuck down. Jesus Christ. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. Hold your horses. Jesus. Like, fucking just relax for like 2 minutes. Jesus Christ. No. Oh, fuck off, man.
See ya.
Just fly him. I mean, I can't tell it off too much. I've already milked it like 3 times this week, but anyway.
But that
That's
is
76 pips there.
Wow.
that's usually
That's
one.
nuts.
Jesus Christ. 150-minute candle.
If in,
55.
I understand that pip value. But when I look from the right on my profit, it says 1,500, and when I close it, it's 1,000. But
Where
I'm
does it,
looking.
where does it say 1500 though? You got 779, 320.
Yeah. After I closed, but on a live, when I watch the price and amount of winning, it says 1500 on the right. But when I close it, that's like 700. So that's my issue.
Oh shit, that was the press conference. Oh, this is why it's moving a lot. Okay. It's a JVY press conference. Turnover 8 at London, don't you think? No. Nah. I've never seen once a time where GJ will retrace all the way and, goes bearish. This is just news, so if you got in here, very well done. But it was just news, I think. If I take a look on the news.
Now we best wait for support to form.
There you go.
Buy again.
Yeah. There you go. Japanese economy is advancing, so yeah, that makes sense. I'm new to Forex, bro. Started 7 months ago, lost 10k. Yeah. 7 months ago and you've already lost 10k? Yeah, you're putting way too much money in. You got to start with a very small account. You get me? So wow, I mean, Jesus Christ, this just ran huge amounts over here. So while people getting in and had the balls to just getting on the highs, it probably would have worked out. For me, stop losses were way too big. I wish I just held that buy stop there. Fuck's sake. What should that have ran? Yeah, I wish I just held that. Meanwhile, gold did a strong pullback. Yeah. But as I say, I don't take buys in gold when it looks like this. I'm just going to be looking for sells later on. Or, maybe this session as well. We'll see. We'll see.
GJ could be making a nice wick on the hourly.
And it's rejecting 750, so you could get some support.
Already dropped down 13 pips. Holy shit.
I had my runner TP at 750, so that's done.
Yeah, I had my runner also, but my profit is only nothing. It's only 1.3%, but I got 35 pips to either run or sell. Something's wrong with my first one.
I think it's just the lot count, bro. Just put a bigger lot on
yeah,
AJ.
it's correct on AJ. That's correct.
Yeah, but on my top loss it says 1,500 on 15 lots.
How many pips?
15 lots. 15 pips. Stop loss.
15 pips. Was that with Magic Keys you opened it with?
Yeah.
But did you close? You didn't. Wait, when did you close out the first part of the trade? Yeah. Wait, how many pips was it up for the first? For the first point, for the first 8 lots that you closed, how many pips was that?
Yeah, because the balance will change the lot size, right, as you take partial.
Yeah.
Looking at GJ flip here, yeah, so am I, but my issue is the stop's already 15 pips.
Wrong. My entry was 604.
Yeah, the stop's too big for me. The stop's too big. May look on the 5 minutes to see if there's anything nice, but at the moment there's nothing there.
See, Milan, your first part that you closed out was only 12 pips in profit. So you closed 8 lots out at 12 pips in profit. Then you closed another 2 lots at...
Gold breaking the previous hourly
at 20
highs.
pips. It's correct.
Right, it's correct.
It's because you closed that lot out. Yeah, it is correct.
So, I mean, right, Milan, shut the fuck up now. Right, you sort it out later. Maybe do some maths, you fucking retard. I'll come on. I'll fix that straight away. Okay, so I mean, yeah, we've got a closure above. The hourly hasn't got a top wick yet. The only thing that we have an issue in is the stop, because I don't like having a stop bigger than 12 pips. Okay, that is the only issue right now. In most cases, when there would be no news here, this would be a nice, 8 pip stop, and then the flip would be nice. So you might have to risk it for a chocolate biscuit on the flip here, or you could wait for a retracement. Wait for a retracement, wait for some support to form, and then ride it back up. So yeah, so that hourly closed bullish. The 4 hours now bullish. But as I said, with gold, this is going to be the webinar this week for the squad. You stick on the gold trend, man, unless you can see, it's making some support here. But you always stay on the trend. So at the moment we're bearish, so I don't care how much this pulls up. We're still bearish until we come above like 1909. So yeah. Let's take a look at this 5-minute time frame. 40 seconds left of this 5 minute. Very nice. Subscribe and like. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys. 16 pip stop is nothing. It's an hour candle. It's an hour wick. Yeah, but it's just the way I trade. I don't have big stops like this. And for the most part, GJ doesn't need big stops. So it's only because there was news this morning that there's a bit more volume. So you get me. Personally, I'm gonna wait for the M-Pairs to cool down. That's what you're gonna do, man. Don't worry about jumping in straight away. You could just wait for NY later on, where you're gonna form some support to ride it back up.
You're not watching AJ's flipping?
Yeah, but if you look on the higher time frames, it's really close to a 4-hour resistance.
Just take a look at the 4 hour. I don't know.
You see?
Wait, where? 4 hour support is there, I suppose. Yeah, but that's another one as well.
So it is still close.
Yeah.
I think if it closes above 93, it's a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
Now it's very close.
How much for your mentorship monthly USD? It's £49.99, so £50. So I don't know, like $70, some shit. You can find out. Do some maths. Wow, look at that, beautiful. So still doesn't have a bottom wick. So I mean, I'm just gonna keep focused on this because like the 30 minutes it's still all valid if this reflips and pushes up. But the only issue, as I said, is the stops. So I'm gonna have to try and find a way to get in with the stops. So yeah, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Does everything look okay? 4 hour. If this closes in 2 hours time above this resistance here, then we're looking good to continue further up, which would be nice. Okay. Maybe fake out and GJ. Maybe if it closes back in, but I'm not taking sells in here. It's way too bullish. I think it's gonna be a bullish day. No, Samantha, it's £49.99, not euros. I don't use that currency, euros. But yeah, let's take a look then. So I'm all right. I don't have to take trades every single session. That's the one thing you got to be, happy with. When you take, yesterday we took 2 trades in the London session yesterday. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, we took two trades in this session, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm only seeing it when there's proper, really horrible outcomes to take. And when they're there, I'm gonna take them. But when they're not there, I'm backing off. I don't want to be sitting on there going, "Oh, I'm gonna take more trades." Like, look, I'm on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning streak. Okay. If I just fuck that one off, then it would be in a fucking 8. It'd be pretty nice. And it would be 9. But yeah, so I'm already up 38% for the month, 39%, somewhere around there. So I'm chilling. I'm happy to wait patiently, and I think everyone else is here as well. When was your last losing week and month? We haven't had a losing month. I know that for a fact. Losing week probably would have been maybe in February, I think, or maybe. But it would have been. It would have been like maybe 3 wins and I don't know. Maybe like a break even. I swear, if anyone can go back and have a look. I think maybe 1 week was where we had like maybe 1 or 2 break evens because of just how bad it was in January. and then maybe one minus like 1.2% or 1.4. But apart from that, that's it, man. My IC Markets MT4 chart is freezing most of the time in active time like now, but at nighttime quiet is okay. Is problem from my side or IC Markets, please? I think you should probably just move to MT5. I don't know why you're not on there already, because it's, you know, that's the one that gets updated, and it's not like it's expensive, it's free. So maybe try that. So there we go, didn't reflip, and now it's dropped down 30 pips, damn. Do you trade London only? No, I trade NY session with the group. We have over 104 people who tune in with us at NY session, and then we take NY trades as well. And then we also learn NAS as well with Brian, so yeah, we got a smashing group. And that starts at like 12 o'clock UK time and ends like 2:30. Well, we take the NAS trade like 2:30, finish at 3 o'clock. So you get a lot of, you know, value for money with all this kind of stuff. So there's the mentorship link if you want to join there for NY later on. And then every single week you get webinars, simulations. So we've got a simulation session here we've already done this week. I'm going to do another one tomorrow, which is like an hour long. I also have webinars. I'm doing another webinar this week. And then you get every single backlog of every simulation we've ever done, every single webinar we've ever done, all the homeworks. You get everything, man. So yeah. I'm using IC Markets MT5 and never have any glitch and freeze at all. Yeah, me too. Me too. Losing that straight to FIFA. Shut up, Brian, man. Took it like a man. It's hard though, isn't it, though? When you're trading and like you're trading and everyone else is following it, bro, the pressure.
I like literally, I said it, I literally like had fuck all sleep last night. Like fuck all.
Wait,
just
why?
I just spent so much time. No, but it's just like it's just to get like where the errors are, you know what I mean? That's the biggest thing.
Yeah.
It's just to continue to learn from it. The problem is like market wants to give you a fucking middle finger.
Yeah.
You know?
Can I see?
But I was saying like I would take those same setups every single day. Like
yeah,
no
stops the
you
time,
might
man.
like, miss one thing. You can't spot everything, but I mean it's just to keep going.
Can I see the previous simulation session if I join today? Yeah, so you get them all here. They're all uploaded here. So yeah, so you get them all here. I'm gonna do as many as possible because you know the more you do, the better you're gonna do. You know, so yeah. And then what was the other question? How's your YouTube monetization? Well, actually, I'll show you guys because it's quite interesting. So the monetization on YouTube, it fluctuates so much because of how much people are spending on ads. So right now, if you think about it in the you know the time of year, it isn't that good, right? So in December it was really good because that's where like all the ads are coming. But now, I mean, it's nothing. It's no money really. But if you take a look here. Look at the RPM. So RPM is how much money they give me per 1,000 views. So at the moment it's 274. But if you go back in time, £14 was one. Normally sit around like £4, £5. So where's December? Oh shit, this is 1 second. Yeah, so December was here. Can you see December? December's much bigger, like £6. Because that's how much they pay more for ads. So I've only made £768 ever, and half of them are from fucking donations. So you don't make a lot, but you know, maybe if it gets a little bit bigger, like maybe double the amount, then that'll pay for rent, pay for someone's mortgage, little tiny house. That'll be good. This is the best bloody damn live stream on the internet. Yeah, boy. Don't forget the super chats. Oh, thank you, my man. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the dono. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, as I said, it's already ran quite a lot over here. So yeah, I'm being patient, but there's nothing much I can see right now, which is fine. We've got to still wait. It's only 12 minutes past 8. You are 39% up. Wow, yeah, 39% up this month. But it's been a nice month, you know. Trades have ran a lot. Like there's been a lot of times where I haven't just closed at 10 pips. There's been a lot of times where I've closed at 20 or 25 because it's just ran so nicely, and I've given it the confidence. So yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Respect Max, yeah, man. Who's new to here on YouTube? I know there's a lot of new people over here, but as I said, I didn't think I said this. I think I may have said this earlier on. FOREX rebates. If you guys have got an IC Markets account, my God, just do it, man. It's gonna save you a shitload of money. So look. So let me just do my lots. I don't want to do one lot. One lot. Well, I'll do one lot. Fuck it. Okay, one lot. Two. We'll just say 2 trades a day. The rebate is there. Yearly profit back 3,528, and that's 2 trades. And that's one lot. Fucking hell, so it's gonna be like 30 grand I'm gonna save. Oh my God! Thank you, Scott.
What website is
my
it,
commission.
What?
What website is it?
FOREX rebate. Yeah.
Payback effects. Or type of that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, payback effects. Yeah, payback effects. Yeah, go check it out. It's pretty cool. How much you risk per trade? If it's on GJ or AJ, it's probably 1.4%. 1.4%. AJ's reflipping. How much would stops be on the previous, on the current 15? Sorry, 20 pips. Oh my God. I thought that was gonna be like maybe 12, not 20. Oh my God. Yeah, there's a load of volume over here. Still look at 5 minute. Oh, 5 minutes closing bullish. 5 minute stops would be 29 pips. Not for me today. Thank you very much. Looks like it may continue over here though. Very nice. Because then what will it do? It will flip the 30 in the hourly. So I mean, yeah, break of that highs would be nice if you can find a way to get in. But damn, it's gonna be pretty damn hard. Because I suppose you could just maybe give it 10 pips, I suppose. So the 50-minute time frame still valid for buys. Why? Well, because the 50-minute closed bearish, but it closed above. Can you see? It's closed above this resistance. So it's still pretty reasonable. So if it breaks this high, sorry, if this kind of breaks this high, we should theoretically continue bullish. The only thing, as I say, I've said 15,000 times, is the stops are going to be the issue. And for me, I don't change my stop, my lot sizes, right? So on this example, like, oh, Max, why don't you just change your lot sizes? Well, because when you change your lot sizes, you're wanting more money per trade, and then you're going to look for 20 pips, and then you're probably going to hit break even anyway, because you're not closing at 10. So yeah. So if you got in right now, oh, how much would them stops be? Oh man, I thought that was 10. It's fucking 20 pips. If it breaks that high, it would be kind of nice. There we go. Nearly. So if it breaks that high, what is this going to do? We'll take a look, right? So it's going to flip the 30-minute time frame. It's going to flip the hourly time frame to continue bullish continuation. Okay. But as I said, for me, I'm struggling with stops because they're so huge. GUP, I'm in a buy for continuation. Nice. Send me a chart. Also, guys, I always ask people, make sure to come in the Discord. Make sure to join the Discord. It's free. And go to server rules. Click this button here so you can actually see everything on there. And then when you go to charts or stream, you'll have access to put in all your charts, and I can take a look at them. So cards, put one here. Yeah, very bearish in gold. But yeah, make sure to put your charts in and annotate them very well. And yeah, I'll get back to you. Get back to you. So yeah, AJ continuing up over here, very, very nice. I still think GJ should as well, really. So we'll see if it breaks that high. It'll be interesting. To 164,100. I think the YouTube stream's lagging a little bit, so don't worry. Hold your horses. It'll be back in a second. Back in a second. Let's take a look at gold now. Gold is coming all the way back up. Oof. Very interesting. Vaccination time, yeah, it's coming back, don't worry. It has a little lag fart for some reason. Gold is flipping on the daily. Yeah, I still have a feeling it's going to be bearish overall, and I will not be taking buys. You know, I don't mind how much of a top wick it is, you know. Okay, so I've just seen over here GJ is reflipping. Interesting. Bearish now. Let's take a look at GJ. Wow, look at that. Take a look at AJ. So looking like it's found its resistance. Oh, look at that little bit of a push over here. Damn. Yeah, I'm bearish too in gold. Yeah, exactly, man. That's what I'm waiting for later on. It'll happen in NY probably. Happens every day in NY. What will happen, if I had to guess what's going to happen in NY, we're going to continue up right now. Okay, we may actually break this high. Then here we'll get a fake out and then we'll launch it back down. Just like we've done 20 days out of 30, pretty much. We've done that pretty much every single day. GJ doesn't know where it wants to go right now. It's kind of struggling to find a direction here. And AJ just ran to TP here 93. And unfortunately the entries for me, I couldn't really get in. Oh, I got a sticky buy on GJ on the 5 minute, got 11 pips and close. Nice. On the 5 minute? Very nice.
I'm so mad that on that AJ, my forex funds.
You're pissed.
Yeah, that's not a mad. Are you because Max, in my live trade, I saw 50-100. And I close 8 lots from my 11. So that's not 750. Yeah.
Ah, okay, yeah.
As the history says, on live is different.
Oh God, no.
I got 35 pips with the runner and I got 1.3 profit. Impossible.
Nail them with both and see what they say.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you when you closed that first trade though, you were only up. What was it? 11.
Oh, not again! This story. I can't have this on YouTube again, man.
It was fucking. Yeah, it's not.
No, Max, this is important for funded trader. This is important for funded trader.
I know.
No, it's 100% correct.
Yeah, in history, but in live it's different.
Okay. Well, next time bring some proof, and then we'll. So take a screenshot when you're actually in a trade, and then we'll see it. We'll see it.
Yeah, I'll make a video.
Make a video, yeah. So there we go. Gold coming back up. Potentially could continue to 1891. Let's take a look here. 1882 is where it's broken and closed above, so it should potentially continue. But as I said, this zone for taking any trades is going to be awful, right? I want clean candles, and here we got crappy price action there, so that will not be a vibe. Just closed GJ 176 pips from 164.80. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful. That 5 minute flips. Oh my God. Because the 5 minutes closed below. But overall, very, very bearish. And it still hasn't broken that high, which it really should do soon, so. It's kind of a sticky situation. I'm glad I didn't rush into that after London Open. Could you take buys on GJ? Sure, but it depends how your stop, you know, how happy your stop is going to be being that big. For me, it is not happy. I'd rather just wait for some support to form later on and buy it later on. You know, we did this a couple days ago, if you remember on the stream, maybe like a week ago, where I'm like, I've missed the sells, but I'm just going to wait for a retracement and then take the sells again. I'm not going to rush in now, and it saved me, you know, loads of money, and I made some, so. Would you look for a sell on gold below 1882? That's a good idea. 1882, yeah. Reflipping the 4 hour has broken the highs though, so I'd probably want the 30 minute to close below. Yeah. The 30 minute, I think. because that'll give me a stronger confirmation as well. So your strategy isn't really any strategy. Just look for green candles on the left and trading continuation. That's a strategy. Do you small stop is biggest lot sizes? Do you prefer funded or real account with your own money? Real account with your own money is the best by far. But obviously, if you've got no money, then you know it's pretty useless. So you have to use the funded. But if you've got money, then live account's always going to be better because there's less rules, less restrictions. So if it works, I'd say it's a good strategy.
And
Well,
if
it
you
looks
don't
like it's
want
working.
money, demo account.
You are?
I'm saying if you don't want to lose any money, demo account.
Yeah. Yeah, this is so. This.
Well, to be honest,
No, you go.
to be honest, it's quite good as a beginning trader to have strict rules because it stops you from over trading and stops you from making all the mistakes you would easily make when you're on your own funds. Because when you have case of the FOMO, it's easy to blow your account when it's your own funds. But when you have strict rules and you see that counter going down, it might help you to get your act together.
Yeah. So this is it. So
Yeah, because essentially there's no one holding you accountable for your account. So at the start, that's where it's hard. Like most people, you either go to school, you have a job, whatever, you have a boss, you have someone that's looking after you or looking over you, sorry, or a parent or that sort of stuff. Whereas it's like you get into trading and there's kind of like, there's these rules, but no one's kind of sitting there watching, making sure that you kind of follow them. So it's kind of, for a lot of people, it's quite difficult. And that's where it can be, I guess, like what you're saying, Vincent, a good thing because it has, you're being held accountable. Someone's kind of watching your moves.
5 minute close bullish just may continue over here and get the flip that people are wanting, but as I say, the stops are just fucking ginormous. They're just absolutely ginormous.
Yeah, I actually agree with them, man. There was few occasions where I took some dumb trades, just for the sake of taking a trade, etc. Like that really happens. That is some great advice, you know.
Oh yeah,
But
for sure at the start, yeah.
Past that shit.
Yeah, boy. GJ near 30-minute flip. Yeah, not yet, but nearly is. So people wanting to take them buys in a bit, go for it. Breach, improve your video font design. Make fonts smaller and use 1 to 2 fonts max. Thank you, my man. Yeah, I'm shit at design. I didn't do it. I'm a maths guy, man. I'm fucking useless at that. But yeah, thank you. So I'll make the fonts a little smaller, right? Some good advice there. Price action candle shapes candle formation. Yeah, we'll see. Come on, get this flip, man, for people who want to get in over here. Get that flip, bitch. You're pretty close. Just needs to get a little rocket. So 164 would be nice for people.
AJ had a nice flip.
Did it? Oh yeah. Didn't really close above though, right? Kind of just impulsive. Kind of just impulsing it. Looked like it would work out though, pretty nicely. No indicators. Yeah, we use. We use no indicators because why would I need that? Why would I need that extra confidence when I don't need it? I just look at the chart in my eyes. The issue you'd have with looking at indicators and stuff is you'll be basing your trades off the indicators, and if the indicators were that good, why would anyone be doing anything else than trading with the indicators? Clearly doesn't work that well.
Most indicators are lagging anyway.
Yeah.
So by the time your indicators says this or that, the move is already happened.
Yeah. Very, very true. So 5 minutes, breaking the high, the previous. Got to just continue and get a nice little push over here, hopefully. Looking like it's taking its time though. Yeah, Ryan's never been funded, man. He's got too much dosh. Too many dollars. Too many dollars in the bank.
It's rands.
Sorry, yeah. Too many South African rands.
Big rands.
Or maybe you're trading with Kruger ads.
Yeah. And us old timers, you know, this higher age category, we tend to hold on to our money a bit more, Max. We don't buy TVs and stuff, you know, we keep the older ones.
I buy big TVs. What determines whether you take a trade in the 50-minute or the 30-minute? Whatever's cleaner and whatever gives me a nicer stop, you know? If the 30-minute I can get a nice 10-pip stop on, then I'm going to use a 30, because 30 is, you know, higher time frame, so more confirmation. But for the most part, you know, 15 will be grand as well. 5 minutes starting to push over here. 30-minute is closing in 40 seconds, though, so... Is it going to get that flip just before?
Same on AJ. It's closing about a 93.11.
Yeah.
I told you, Vincent.
Yeah.
I've managed to double a small account in 2 days. Nice. You'll probably also lose the account in 2 days as well. I see all them comments about that. It's like, oh, I've just doubled my. I'm like, great, you know, I'm very proud of you. But if you've made that much money so quickly, you're probably gonna lose it all as well. Am I right? No top wick on the 30-minute. That's bad. But the hourly, look at the hourly time frame. Hourly's gonna flip now. So if this was a 10-pip stop and it flipped the hourly, then yeah, nice. But at the moment, it's not. I'm gonna paper trade it for you guys though, just to give you an, you know, see how it would work out. But as I say, the stop is just way too big. So take a look at the stop compared to the gain. It's like nearly 1-to-1, but yeah, 45 pip stop on the hourly. Hell no. Flip the hourly. Come on, we're waiting. Break the previous 30-minute high. It'll be a celery play. Looks like it may get there. Just taking its time. Time frames are indicators. Exactly. Everyone will blow accounts. That's how you learn. Yeah, apart from Finn, basically. Finn doesn't really lose any money in trading.
Fucking lucky shit.
He's gonna chip.
He's the one person I've ever spoken to that never lost money. That's mad.
I know. Fucking hell. That's some next level shit, that.
Yeah.
Come on, AJ.
Come on, AJ. Come on.
Flipping now
How do you
the
win?
hourly.
I'm already 11 pips up. No, 10. 10
Oh,
points.
did you get
no,
it
10.
on AJ?
Yeah.
Did it close
Yeah.
above? Oh, wow. There's no lower wick, but it worked out nicely, eh?
Ooh, boy. This is good.
AJ, baby.
So GJ potentially breaking the high, the previous hourly time frame, looking good to continue. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. 50-minute close bullish. So the 50-minute could have been reasonable. 35 pip stops. It's just not. It's just not. I give up with saying it was reasonable. What? 35 pips in the previous 15. Holy fuck. But yeah, should continue now to 164-100. But as I say, if you missed the move, you know, I've missed every single move today. Am I pissed off? No, I'm up 39% for the week, for the month. I couldn't give a fuck. But what I'm saying is, I've been doing this the whole month now. All you got to do now is wait for the retracement, and you're gonna be Gucci. Okay? Wait for the retracement. That's all that's gonna happen. You're gonna get a nice push up here, which would be amazing. You get a retracement, make a support, and buy the support when it holds support, when you get a nice confirmation, okay? That's all you've got to do. Yeah, that's all you've got to do. Hopefully this hourly can continue so I can show you guys how it would work, but we'll see. But as I say, the stops are just way too big. So AJ, let's take a look and recap over here, Vincent and Jason, you fuckwits. So you got to close your above, stop loss below. No. You must got in the 5 minute then.
It's a 5 minute, yeah.
Oh, is that the three
those
5 minutes?
Cowboy trade, yeah.
Yeah,
Two
nice.
close
Works out
the
nicely
path
though,
and the
Vince.
third one runs.
I got like
So
50
1, 2,
books,
3
man.
there.
Please.
Stop us like there.
I got 50.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, because now your stop loss is in the previous zone too, so it's a lot safer. And then you can move up quicker.
Amazing. Hey mate, I just joined the mentorship. Amazing work. You are the 105th member. 105th. Jeez.
Why did you get in so late, Vincent?
Vincent likes that little strategy.
Yeah,
I'm closing,
if
I'm
it
closing full.
closes... Oh, I'm leaving a bit of a runner.
Nah, no runners.
I want my 20 pips to touch.
I'm hearing Brian.
Everyone
Brian's
understood.
definitely fucking put a trade there. What did you get, Brian? What did you get, Brian?
Brian is definitely in it because it's too quiet.
Yeah.
No, I'm not giving any more secrets.
Me too. Me too. Finn messaged me last night like, stop doing these fucking sly ass trades. I'm like, okay, fine. I'll do everyone. I haven't taken any trades.
Sorry.
Nah, it's good though. It's good.
Finn, did you take this one?
No. I got another payout, but somehow the fuckers knew that my license is expired, so I have to renew my thing, and I was trying to do it. But
shit.
Anyway,
What license?
my driver's license.
Oh shit.
I just got my full license, so you know how you
Wait,
go.
what? You
I don't
already
know,
just
do you guys
started
have-
driving?
No. Do you start with like learners and stuff?
Yeah, but then when I
Yeah,
passed my
but-
test, but I did it when I'm
Yeah.
17.
Yeah, but we do that and then we get P plates. So it's like I don't know, whatever you want to call it. You have P plates for 3 years where you're not allowed
Nearly
to drink and
passed.
drive.
No way! 3
So 22,
years.
I finally got my full license and now I can have some beers and drive.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Fuck
No way! You have to have P plates on. We have P plates over here, but like I ticked them off on the first like the second time I started driving because I look like a pussy. Wait, you've been driving around with
didn't
P
use them
plates?
once.
Oh right, okay.
I never used them.
I was thinking
Yeah,
you
in
look
South
like
Africa, you just buy a license.
you look like such a fucking pussy.
Yeah.
Those fucking newly passed plates. Oh my fucking god!
Just buy your driver's license like Jason.
You can buy a license in South Africa.
Right, you just
Oh my
so
god!
corrupt.
You can literally do whatever you want in that country.
I'm scared of that.
Buy your driver's license. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's like
You can barely.
$300.
Oh, vacation time. What car are you driving? Well, soon. I mean, I keep on saying this, but I'm just doing it. I'm doing it, you know, financially. I want to do it properly. I don't want to be a fucking retard and just finance a stupid Beamer. I want to be able to kind of buy a house and use the rent there to buy one. But I'm looking at a BMW M2. Wait, Mustang. Have you? Is it not Mustang? Vacation time. Is this your first time here? I don't really. I've never think I've ever seen you before. If you're into cars, I'll show you some of my dad's. He's got some cool cars.
I got in at 92,679 on AJ.
92.
679. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that low wick not tap you out. You're good with that low wick there.
No way, man. No way. I held my full stop.
Nice.
You prick. I've taken 2 entries on AJ, one BE and one the other one. You fucking scared me out of it.
Yeah, sorry about that, man.
I would have gotten like 30 pips. Jesus. Actually, more. If it didn't tap me out, it wouldn't have tapped me out. I would have. Oh, I can't look. What sort of car do you drive now, Maxi boy?
I got an S1, don't I? But yeah, it's all right. It does the job. But I do want a bit of an upgrade right now. Like when I'm on the motorways and stuff, and I'm feeling like, oh man, I need some power right now. Like I could be driving a Lambo. Like, what the fuck is this shit?
Rattles
Like,
about.
yeah, like
Autobahns or whatever they're called.
what?
Did you say Autobahn?
Autobahn.
Yeah.
We don't have
No,
an
that's just
autobahn. It's
Germany.
Germany.
That's in Germany.
But like you still kind of like speed here. You kind of just when you live in a certain place, you know like where the cameras are, so you get kind of good at like you know braking when they're there and then like speeding back up. And also, my dad's a fucking hooligan.
You're one of them.
Yeah.
You chuck Waze on, right? It tells you every single camera.
Yeah, Waze is an absolute fucking goal set. It's so good, isn't it?
The best thing. Yeah, I just leave it on every time I get in a car, and it tells you, it literally pings you a fucking message. It goes, "Oh, camera there."
Yeah.
Slow down, and then.
To be honest with you, I drive quite safe. Considering I've been in my dad's car from the age of like fucking 4, and like you know when you're in a car and someone's going way too quick, and your foot is literally fucking it feels like your foot's going through the fucking car because you're braking so hard in your foot on the passenger seat, and they're like, "Oh my god, please slow the fuck down!" Like, holy shit. He would like it'd be like a roundabout, and he would just go straight over it. Like he'd like fucking launch past it. And that Evo, holy shit. It used to pick up.
Doesn't have like speed traps.
Nah, like cameras, but this app called Waze just it literally tells you where they all are.
No, I know. We also use that.
Yeah. So
Maps
you know.
should just tell you.
But
Nah,
like the other us,
Google
we have
Maps is
fixed
really-
cameras at certain areas, and then we have speed traps as well. So
You
on the
guys probably
speed
have
trap-
machine guns on the side of the fucking road.
No, man. Listen, with the speed
Just
trap,
ask Jason, does he pay his fines? That's what you need.
Do you pay your fines? It's just corrupt.
What do you get fined for?
I
Doing
got an
something
inside guy.
sensible?
I got an inside guy. Squashes it.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
You don't pay fines
It's
as well.
Real.
It just everything about that country just looks fucking dodgy to me. Like every part of it, like just walking down the street, like just the things you've told me, just looks so fucking dodgy.
No, but like the thing is, let's just imagine, you driving down the road. You don't know that there's a traffic officer waiting behind the tree about to snap your ass. You
Yeah.
driving normal. And then all of a sudden, at the end of the month, as soon as you approach it, you see, hey, then it's too late. Then he scored you 100 miles per hour. The 60 zone. So, yeah. So, there's obviously areas where the cameras are fixed where that was app, it will notify you. But with regards to the speed traps, I can't see that, my man.
Yeah. Tommy boy, you haven't lost an account, but to be fair, Tom, you are like a fucking army man. Like, you'd take no shit. You're not being one of these pussies losing accounts. Yeah. Tommy boy just takes some big ass trades. In the UK, there is a big sign saying speed camera right there. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes they even lie though. So like a lot of times, like they'll just have it like in rural areas just so you slow down. But obviously, when Waze tells you there's no one on there, I'm fucking launching it like. Yeah, I want to see. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I did think like, I'm not gonna lie. Like a couple of months ago, I was like, I could just get an Evo like my dad's because they are pretty badass. I'm not gonna lie. Let's take a look over here. I would actually love. Do you know what I'd really like that he's got? One of these. And let's see how expensive these are.
I think the Evo must be like the funnest car.
Yeah.
Get the,
To be honest, you
get
can't
the-
beat the Lambo, man. The Countach is something else. It's a fucking.
Yeah, but like even if you use it as like a daily driver. you
Oh
can-
yeah.
Yeah,
Let's take a look. Wait, what's
blacked out Evo, the one you have at the moment. Oh my god,
Yeah.
man.
It's called Esprit. Oh, that Esprit. I want a white one of these. Oh my god, there's only 15. No way. How much are these now? Oh, what? The 30 grand. Why is everything so expensive now? Oh, there's shit ones as well. Where's a white one, man? I want the white one. I want the fucking James Bond car. Oh, that's pretty cool one with the gold wheels. That's the limited edition one.
The name Stop Loss. Stop Loss matters.
Yeah. God, they're 30 grand now. Fucking hell. My dad's had this car since he was 21, I think. 21 or 22. In South Africa, when I get stopped for speeding, I give him 100 rand inside my driver license, and he tells me to fuck off. Oh my god. That sounds about right.
Whoever said that, that is exactly how it is. They just want the police officials. They just want food, so they'll take that 100 or 200 bucks. Put your ticket away and buy food.
Wow.
He just wants a cool drink.
A cold drink. Oh my god. I just don't know how you can go from like living in London, Brian, to go into South. But you were born in South Africa.
Yeah, I was born here.
Ah, right. Okay, that's kind of.
I just went to the UK for work, right? So I studied as a chef, so best place to go is the UK because of all the restaurants and stuff.
Yeah.
Because the South African salaries don't, you know what I mean? So just did it for just short on 2 years and came back and started my business.
Nice. So looking like the hourly is continuing now, but as I say, I mean, let's just go theoretically, right? The only trade I could have seen here was breaking these highs there with stop loss below, right? So yeah, 47 pip trade. I mean, it's just not even like you're gonna get a 1-to-1 there if like it's just not worth it. So that's why I left this. AG on the other hand just fucking launched, but that was also 20 pips. So it's just a day where it's very aggressive and the entries are hard because it's so aggressive. But don't just get FOMO and try and jump in. Just wait for some support to form, and you'll be good. Looking like gold's coming back down over here.
What about now in GJ? We got support now at the previous level.
The next resistance is shit. It's even there. Oh yeah, it's there. Yeah, 147. I mean, I just don't. My issue is 10 pips here is not gonna cut.
Right,
you know what I mean? It's just such a small amount right now. It's massive. It's good though. It's continuing back. Do you know what I love? Like at the moment, GJ, it's just moving. Buys, sells really easy. Get the trend so easily, and you just follow it around. Hey man, hey mate, where can I get that Google folder? Yeah, I'm gonna add you to it now, my man. 1 second, I'm gonna do it right now. One second. Oh, did I show you the Lambo picture? This is pretty cool. 1 second, I'll show you in a sec. Just add you here. There we go.
I really can't see these Lambo pictures anymore, Max. I've seen it like 80 times.
This one's sick. Wait. This one is fucking sick. It's not just the Lambo. He's got something cool with it. I swear he sent me it somewhere. Hugo, oh nice, you got in. How did you get in, my brother? 50-minute close bullish. Not really much of a top wick, which is kind of scary, but yeah, I should come to the highs there, which is okay. Break a 5-minute high. Oh, nice. Straight to TP, boy.
Yeah, baby.
What a finny boy.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realise my thing was on. I just had to scan my passport so I could get a payout.
Put this on.
Dodgy. Fuck. This just wants to keep going, doesn't it? Holy.
Man. But to be honest with you, the more it pushes, the more retracement and the more support I'm gonna buy later on. If you look at AJ now, I mean the perfect place for it to rest is where? Someone tell me. To like make support on. It's pretty damn obvious right now. Yeah, so making some support around there. Oh shit, got the wrong tool. Around that area would be nice, but it may just continue further and the support may be a bit higher up, but there's no rush. It's all good, Are you going to take gold sells with the closure? Nope, because the closure wasn't below 1882, and the hourly's still bullish. So they may actually happen and reflipping that 4 hour, which would be nice because it's kind of rejecting this area. So I'm gonna give it until 9 o'clock. If the hourly closes bearish below, then I don't see why not. Or the 30-minute closes bearish below. So probably gonna look for that at the moment. Oh yeah, I was speaking to Controller last night and I was asking him how the fuck is he editing now, like it's editing so good. And he goes, I've got a fucking editor. I'm like, oh, that's why. I've been trying to work this out myself. Holy shit. I don't have enough time. It's like, he's got an editor, so I'm gonna have to go get a fucking editor from somewhere. If anyone knows how to edit. I'd love to like be able to do it myself, but like I just don't have the patience. I want someone to just tell me how to do it. So yeah, give it 11 minutes time for this closure over here. Oh my god, I started posting on TikTok and doing what like controllers do. Man, it's so retarded on that. Yeah, this is the picture. You can't really see it that much, but he got a Lego Countach, a little Lego one. Let's take a look then over here. Oh yeah, I want to show you controllers comments. Oh my god, this is the best thing ever on TikTok. My god, TikTok is just a bunch of like 12-year-olds. Yeah, I might do Fiverr, but the thing is that like Fiverr, I don't know how like the payment. Like I want someone to just do it and I pay them monthly. Like every single thing I give them, they just do it to me. Whereas Fiverr is like every one time, you know. But I suppose I could just message them, couldn't I? Look at this message. I just looked at like this TikTok thing, but where's this really big one? Oh, it's not even saved. The fuck is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't think it's there. But anyway, yeah, the chats on this are just retarded. I can't see the one. I think he's may have moved it, but it was like this guy doesn't even know what a stop loss is. Oh my god, he said a stop loss to break even, but it isn't really break even. He needs to count spreads. Like, oh my fucking god. It's like they clearly haven't been on the stream. What do you think about gold? It's rejecting the resistance, I think. Yep, pretty good. Back below here, clean candles to the left. Don't see why not. Reflipping the 4 hour. 4 hours still got an hour left, so yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close below. Speaking of social media, does anyone use Twitter or plan to start using it now that Elon is buying it? I just don't know why I would use Twitter for. I can't see what's the reason people using it. Isn't it just people like saying what they're doing in the day and like just random like tweets? Like I couldn't care less.
I only have it for some news channels.
Yeah, me too. I have spectator index on it. That's it.
Yeah, plus I used to follow Trump on the Nasdaq. That's useless now.
Nah, but he's coming back on though. Soon. He's gonna be the president again. I think he's gonna win. I think he's gonna win the next one. Do you think? I think he's gonna win it.
I want Trump back today.
Yeah,
today. Give me that volume, man.
Trump made me money.
Make me some money. Gotta imagine that Trump back. Every couple tweets every 3 hours, just sell or buy gold at the time. Beautiful. It's gonna be nice. So yeah, coming down over here. Nice, very nice. Wow, we've had our biggest stream today overall by far. Huge stream. Huge stream. But yeah, you gotta turn up every single day. You know, no trades today, but you know, there's so many more opportunities. We still may have this gold one actually, to be honest. So 50-minute break in the low of the previous, looking good to continue down. Hourly's rejecting, so yeah, I mean, how much would stops be right now on the previous 30? Yeah, still at 15. So if this closed there, stop loss above 25 pips, that could be reasonable. Trump stated that the other day he won't come back to Twitter, he will post on his own platform. Interesting. 120 likes, guys. Make sure you like that stream and also subscribe as well. Oh, thank you for the subscription, Dr. Bando. Dr. Bando.
The amount of money Trump will make with his own platform as soon as if he runs for president again. Oh Lord. Yeah. The amount of people that will subscribe to his platform will be immense.
So I mean, every single thing that I've talked about today is kind of went through the T, you know, with our zones. If we close above here, we're going to continue to the next resistance, which is here, and it's just about tap that now. AJ, same thing. Clean candles to the left here. This is what I wanted, but the entries are kind of hard. Pushed all the way up to 93, and we've actually closed above and then pushed furthermore to the next resistance. So Beautiful. I always go through that because it's showing that my chart analysis and my, my support and resistance lines are correct. Always do that. I advise people here who have just came onto the stream or gonna join pretty much every day now to come before the stream and mark your charts, and then when you're on stream, send me them and see how they are and how different they are to mine. Why are they different? Because that's all I did with Raja. Okay. Check Discord chat. Made an example of font design and interface for you. RUG. Oh, yes. Wait, check Discord chat. Okay, where are discussion? Which one is it? I know it's not a London trade. I hope someone caught this. 67 pips. Oof. That was the one we were looking at, wasn't it? Yeah. Little support forming, but it's launched. Which chat is it, my man? Oh, DMs. Oh shit. Oh, here. Sorry. Oh yeah, that looks nice. How have you just done that? Shit. What a font is this? Can I use this on I don't even know how I made my overlay now. I completely forgot. Could you send me that if you have already? But make sure I kind of want I want my camera to be a bit bigger in that zone, like in there, I think. But that looks pretty cool. London live stream. Let's take a look. What's your PC specs? I got a 3060 Ti, a 5700 or 5700X or something like that. Like 16 gigs of RAM. It works perfectly. I don't need any more for it for all my games. So. And I do editing on it as well. It's perfect. It works a treat. Haven't had any problems with it. Touch wood.
Fuck's sake, 60 gigs of RAM.
No, 16. 16.
Oh, and now I wanted to say 60.
Yeah.
I fucking I would be like, man.
I don't need that shit. That's for like 8K rendering 2-hour fucking movies. Like, holy shit. Oh, the new Doctor Strange is coming out, man. I can't wait for it. Oh, such a fat nerd. While we're waiting for this to close in 5 minutes, let's just do Wordle. How many hours do you average in front of your PC? Shit, man. I have no idea. Can you check on your PC? Is there a thing? Quite a lot. Quite a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Did you catch a GJ buy just joined? No, unfortunately not. The stops are way too big, my man. Way too big. I'm waiting for a gold over here though, potentially closing back below 1882. Actually, yeah, let me just get my signal ready just in case it pushes quite nicely. And we will see. Oh, we should just left that AJ buy stop on there. That'd be nice. Looks like it's coming back in the range though, unfortunately. So we'll see. If it doesn't close below, I ain't touching it. Because it'll be the hourly closing bullish as well. Back in the zone, so. $18.75. New Doctor Strange is going to be epic, like an Avengers 2.0 mix with X-Men. Yeah, and like the guy who's directing it was the guy who did the first Spider-Man movies. So it's like really scary and shit. So Sam Raimi or some shit. I can see it though. I can even see it in the trailer. Like it is filmed by him. Like even like the fonts and stuff. Yes, I know the stream's lagging. I can see it. Don't worry. It'll come back in 15 seconds. Just hold your horses. Okay, so 2 minutes left. Doesn't look like it may get this closure. We'll have to see. Whoa, that's nice. 62 grand. This Tommy Mackinnon version. That's sick.
You're a big Evo man, aren't you, Maxi?
No, I mean not really, to be honest with you. But I do appreciate it. I didn't when I was younger. I didn't really like them when I was younger, but I appreciate them now. Like cool, like rally cars, like badass as shit. Actually, let me just check how much an Aventador is right now.
Jesus.
Oh,
They're like 500,000 in Australia.
Wait, Man United game tonight. Who are they playing?
Chelsea.
Oh, god damn it. They're going to get their ass whooped. Oh, is it on Sky Sports?
Should be. Yes, it was. Yes, it was fucking BT. It's fucking annoying.
Yeah, I've got Sky Sports. Oh, they're still 150. Good, very nice. Stay there for maybe another year. I'm gonna get one of them.
Oh, I'll send you a. You got a stream link for the sports? I'll send you a link.
Yeah, but I've bought Now TV. I'm sick of the fucking links, man. They don't work half the time. But have you got a good one? If you send me a good one.
Yeah, I got two. So you go use.
I know
Use either these or that one or Hesgo.
I use Total Sport Tech, but the motherfucker has got so many ads on. So
That's so many. It's annoying.
Yeah, man. I'm like, I finger blasted my fucking iPad for about an hour to get the fucking screen. It's awful.
But that Hesgo doesn't view Premier League games anymore. Eh?
It does. You need to use this link. Sorry, .pro instead of .com. There's like two.
So what I did was so we have DSTV in South Africa. So they've changed the conditions as to how many views you can have now. So what we did was, so because the DSTV is so expensive, between myself and my brother and my sister, we split the bill amongst all of us. So it's not so much. So when they said, okay, it can only go to like one view for the same price, I basically cancelled it. And this guy at my workplace, he's from the DRC, and he hooked me up with these TVs from right across the world. I like watch UK, Australia, New Zealand.
That's sick.
Everything for like a once-off package. I paid like, I think, 600 rand.
Wow.
Yeah, I've got one of those. Is it like a little box? It's got like IPTV on it or something.
Really?
It's like cool.
Yeah, it's like it costs like it's 120 for the box, 60 for the year, but it gives you everything. So like any like Russian sports, American sports, anything.
Yeah.
Like you get all NBC Sports, BN Sports, all of them. Yeah.
Oh, someone says in YouTube, you have quite a few South African guests there. Please tell us what is the best broker for South Africans.
I see, bro. I see
markets. Yeah.
Do not use the South African broker.
Don't.
You want to try?
use this broker and use my link as well. It helps me out.
Let Max buy a Lamborghini for one.
Yeah. You send me a commission. Fuck off.
I think the thing is this: like in South Africa, the South African brokers teach you how to over leverage. So if that guy's an over leverager, you should take a South African broker.
When's your podcast with Marcos coming out? At the end of the week, I'm pretty sure. Why is my fucking chart lagging again? Oh my god. Not my chart, my stream.
Max, you should also do a trading now.
I know. I did think that.
Not that it's like a big thing.
I did think that. I did think that. My only issue is that Ted and Controller both did it and they both lost. So I'm like, oh, maybe it's maybe the I think it's based. I think it's just the luck on what day you get, because obviously you want to take some trades, but some trades you won't take any. How many?
You can skip. You can skip.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can skip as many days you want. You don't have to trade that day. You can just keep skipping.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
So you can just it's pretty easy for your strat as well. You just continue skipping until you see a really clean zone, then just go for it.
Yeah. That's good. I didn't know you could skip it. I thought it was just like one day and one day only.
No. He picks like 5 different. He has 5 tabs open with different days, and then on each tab you can skip as many days as you want.
Okay.
So you can just sift through the bad days, check the daily, and then just go, yeah, right, I take this.
Sick. No trades today, question mark? No trades today. Yeah, I couldn't get into it, unfortunately. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, no trades yet, but I'm shooing NY will probably get one, which is nice. But yeah, as I said, so look at this 50-minute candle close bullish back above, holding this support. So probably going to come back into that zone. Maybe later on buy SLs would be nice, but looking like it's going to probably push into the zone. But as I said, the left-hand side is so bad here, I wouldn't want to do it. So yeah, AJ, GJ, all at areas of resistance now, but The entry that I wanted was, let's just take a look. So I like going back, you know, when I start to come towards the end of the session, I like going back to see where I could have got in. So let's take a look. So the left hand side, the main level of support was down here in these areas. We came to the chart at 7 o'clock, so here. So I marked out this little resistance here because resistance there, support there. I wanted a closure above. This candle over here closed doji below, and this next candle just ran. So for me, there was no closure above, so it was kind of impulsive. And if I got in on the high there, stop loss was 16 pips. So I couldn't have got that trade in the way I trade. Next thing, the hourly didn't have a top wick at the point that we were looking at here. We made a nice lower wick. The 15-minute pushed all the way down and then closed back up with a small body showing that it's rejected the lows. Next one did the same thing, closed bullish. I'd have liked to have gone in over here on buy the highs, breaking the hourly high as well, and flipping the hourly there with this stop. But as you can see here, the stop loss was 46 pips. On a normal day with no news, that probably would be about 12. So, you know. And then it ran nicely. Did it actually get 46 pips? Oh, it did. So you would have got your 1-to-1 if you did that, which is nice. But obviously, I don't have big stops because I don't like big stops.
But wouldn't that have worked if you... I'm sorry to interrupt. I was just wondering because price is... where you have your stop loss now, it's way back in the other zone. So would it make sense to have like a 10 or 11 pips stop? Because it's in the other zone.
Yeah, that's true.
I was just wondering.
Yeah, it's hard, isn't it? I don't know. I mean, maybe in the... yeah, it could work. It's hard when the pips are so big. Why is my fucking stream lagging? Your stream lags so bad. Yeah, no, it normally doesn't, though. It normally lags maybe once. It looks like it's lagging quite a lot today. I'll have to sort that out for you guys tomorrow. But yeah, so... I mean, AJ right at resistance over here. GJ right at resistance, which is okay. And gold maybe continuing back into the zone. So if it was around 15 pips, you would have hop in the trade, right? Probably not even 15. I mean, maybe with the volume, maybe 15, but hopefully around 13. Yeah, maybe 15, and I would have just put on like a 12 pip stop and just hope it didn't hit the low. That's probably what I would have done. You need more RAM. Why do I need more RAM though? I swear that's just internet, bro. It's not RAM, is it? High-speed internet can help me. Yeah, unfortunately, I live in a rural place. Well, it's not really that rural. It's just we don't have any fucking good Wi-Fi around here. So yeah, it's kind of a shame. But it normally doesn't really lag, to be honest. I'm actually gonna need to upgrade 80 gigabyte RAMs. Well, let's take a look then. So I'm streaming here. Let's look at the task manager. See what things are running at. Oh yeah, my memory's 78%. Maybe I should upgrade that. 12 gigs maybe, but I don't think that's the lag. The lagging's the Wi-Fi. Yeah, RAM is on to do with speed. Yeah, that's what I thought. Plus, probably 14 is probably where I cut it off. 13 is probably my maximum, I'd say. 12, 13. Normally my maximum. I assume that you don't trade gold, right? No, I do. I do trade gold. I traded gold yesterday. Yeah, people yesterday. We were watching Nas. Oh my fucking god! 1 second right now. We were watching Nas, and I also just clicked onto Don's stream, and then I saw this closure. Where was it?
I looked at it afterwards. It was quite clean.
Yeah, man, Sally, bro, I'm hopping in that bitch. Was it there? Oh, I think it was there. Yeah, it was there. Was it there or there? And it was one of them. I think it was there. It's like 27.
Nice on the 30.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, that one as well was kind of chill. But yeah, all of them. I think I got in there, and then I think I got that. Yeah. But I literally just hopped on Don's stream. I was like, right, Don's got a 90% win rate. Well, fuck it, I'm taking that one as well. Literally had like a millisecond to look. I was like, oh, fuck it, looks pretty good. Usually I go to 5 minute when there is volume using your strategy. If 15 stop was way too big, it helps me with the smaller stops. Yeah, that's what we tried out to today. But I mean, the 5 minutes were already actually kind of big as well, to be honest with you. Like, look at this 5 minute candle there. 25 pips and a 5 minute candle. Like, fuck me. Ooh, Goldie. So yeah, I mean the 30-minute closed bearish, so looking like it's starting the resistance. The hourly closed bullish though, so 52 minutes left. I mean, it looks like it's pushing quite hard, but this could be reflipping to continue bullish. Let's take a look at the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, maybe 7 minutes below, but as I said, I don't know. I'd have to break that hourly low, I think, which would be below 1881. But I learned your rule about stop loss. Stop loss not more than 15 pips rule book. Thinking about adding onto mine too. Yeah, man. Just it means that you don't like second guess the trade. Not second guess. Sorry. It means that like you'll jump into a trade with a fucking 20 pip stop, but you've halved your lot sizes. So now you subconsciously want 20 pips, right? Because that's how much you'd get for just 10 pips before. So then you'll hold on the trade for longer, even though you shouldn't, because it's hit resistance or whatever. And then you're like, wow, well I've just held break-even trade. So there's no point. Like, it happens all the time. I hear it. Some people in Zoom have taken it on a half lot and they want to hold it on for longer. It's like, why don't you just take the full and just go with it? You know. Oh, because it stops 20 pips. Well, then just leave it. You know, you're gonna get a break even anyway. Goal rejecting. Yeah, it is, man. How long left for this 4 hour to close? 50 minutes. Yeah. It's broken the high and the low, so interesting. I mean, if this candle 50-minute closes below, like around here, next one makes a top wick and then flips, I may. So I'll give it 5 more minutes for this closure. 135 likes today, amazing stuff. If you guys do want to join the NY session as well, I'll put the link there to join up. Yeah, I think I'm going to do some good giveaways now, because now I've exceeded 100. I may give a nice giveaway soon. So, if you get in quick, you're going to get a giveaway. Through Twitter. You getcha. So has it broken the low of the previous 15 yet? Not yet, but it looks like it's going to, which is nice. 30 minutes also breaking the previous low, so it looks okay, you know. It might just get a drive here. I hope it just relaxes for 4 minutes, but yeah, we'll see, we'll see. We're getting that ball refresher now. Nah, I'm only gonna look at this, right? If this closes, but then there's a little bit of support there as well, which kind of sucks. Well, anyway, this, then this, then this. If it doesn't do that, I'm gonna leave it. So always pick what you want to see. If it doesn't happen, then it's not the same as what you want. I've got my Spider-Man. I've got a Spider-Man onesie as well, actually. Yeah, I used a Superman one before, but it's getting a bit small, not gonna lie. Oh my god, yeah, I went to the gym and the guy who used to train me when I was younger was there, and he goes, "Oh, Max, you've changed a little bit." I go, "Yeah, I know, I'm a fat cunt." And then he puts me on the scales, and I am 22% body fat. It's the highest I've ever been by a country mile. I used to be like 10, 12. So that's great. Tomorrow, homework is going to be coming out. We're going to do some more chart analysis on GJ, I think. Seeing about your zones. I may do gold as well, actually. Might do gold. We'll see. And that homework will be there to complete for the next week. And then we'll go through it together. I can't understand jack shit. The Swedish language is mad, isn't it? I can't understand one word, really. What's high? Hez. Hey? No, H-E-Z. I've seen that in IKEA or some shit.
H-E-Z.
H-E-Z, is it? Hez.
No, because the Swedes try to avoid letter Z because they can't pronounce it.
Really?
They pronounce it as an S.
What's high then?
They also say Slavan is instead of Slavan. They don't use it.
What's hello though in Swedish?
Hey.
Yeah, okay. Oh, it's H-E-J.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. You're welcome to do my workouts, Max, on my channel. Oh, wow. I'm going to do yoga in a sec. Yeah, I like a bit of yoga in the morning. Oh, Pimpin' Pips Hedge. I'm from Sweden. Nice. Sweden. Why did PewDiePie move from Sweden? What was the reason? Because he lives in London now. Why? Do you wear spandex for yoga? Yep. Big leather spandex. Yoga and Pilates. Oh, nice. Proper leggings. So let's take a look over here. Minute 26 seconds left for this closure. The yoga that I do is the Apple one. Actually, you need to do it now, man. My back's hitting me. Learn to do the splits. I am far away from that. I've only just learned to touch my toes. Only just learned. Let's finish this off, guys. Come on. Let's do this quick.
Right vest.
Cast. What?
Something like that.
Wait, what?
Like a vest to put on when you put on.
Oh, a vest.
Yeah, but plural.
Vests. Oh my god, Vincent.
Holy shit.
Why are you too good at this game every time? Okay,
Holy shit.
What goes at the front?
Try pesto.
Wait, what?
Yes, pesto.
What the fuck is that?
No P. Like the green stuff.
Oh, pesto. Okay, yeah, pesto.
Yeah, pesto.
Especially my pasta. It's just nice. Oof. Oof. Oh, let's just stop 1 second. Pesto. Did this close below? No, it didn't. Didn't close below. Looking like we're starting to see some resistance forming already, which is good. So hopefully in the next couple, 30 couple hours, can retrace a little bit, and then we've got a nice target to come to back to the highs. Festy. Zesty?
Zesty, that's like a fun person.
Yeah, like zesty is like a fruit zesty, is it?
Could also be.
What a fucking guess.
Is it? Yeah. Nice.
we don't lose on that game, man. We don't lose. Every time. With Vincent's help most times, goddamn. The first thing you said there was literally 3 letters, sorry. Right, so it's 9:15 over here, guys. I think I'm going to leave it off. I'm going to wait until NY session, so if you guys want to join us there, you know what to do. Make sure you also follow me on all the socials and Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you later, Zoom, and we're going to be doing the simulation tomorrow. So thank you, guys. Adios, amigos. See you guys later. Peace out, man.
See you later, right?
See you later.
Bye.
Take care. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream, and adios, amigos. See you later, guys. Peace out.